Hello everybody, this is my Twitter, right here. It's actually very cool. There's my whole Twitter. This is Twitter. It's very cool, I guess. Not really though. It could be a lot better, but this is my Twitter. I think you should. Yeah, everybody, this is my Twitter. It's your boy. It's amazing. So like, I think you guys should do this. You know, go follow me on my Twitter. We can do a Q&A. Actually, I'll type. Okay. What do I write for a Q&A? I'm gonna do some so many questions. Who you have? Will you have? From your boy. So there you go. That's the thing. So I only have like a 15-minute timer. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Well, that's pretty cool, I guess. So you guys just do this. Go over here, do things. I'm gonna go over Roblox. Here's my Roblox. Yas me. These are all the things I play. There's also Alexa VIP. This child over here, like, she streams. What Hey, you stream, right? I just said, hey, you stream, right? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure she streams on that one thing. Yeah, it's good.